I will now request you to please share your thoughts today with us.
Good morning, everybody. I am Anirban Samanta from West Bengal, India. Basically, an IT professional with MBA in Finance from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. But I am well known to the people as a true noble-hearted national and international award winner philanthropist. First of all, I am overwhelmed and proud to be received this award. Many thanks and gratitude to Asia Education Conclave and respectable President Professor Dr. Sanjeev Chakraborty for nominating me for this most prestigious award. I want to dedicate this award to my parents who are my inspiration actually. This award will motivate me to do better work for this society in the field of education in future, and I want to make Bengal and my country India proud in the court of the world. Thanks and regards to all the distinguished guests and congratulations to all the award recipients. Thank you all.